guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my honest review and opinion on this St. Ives oatmeal and shea butter. This particular body wash has a range, has an entire range. They have it in different flavors and fragrances and all of that. But I've been able to use it for like 2-3 weeks now, and I thought to come and share with you what I think about it. Let's get right into it. Hello again, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Folashade. I film about skincare, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and every other good thing. Please take a moment, watch 2, 3 or more videos on the channel so you can be convinced that you should subscribe to the channel. My OG subscribers, I sincerely apologize that I've been away for like a week or 2 now. Life happened, and when life happens like that, you just have to face it head on, and while you are sorting it, while you are done sorting it, move on. So this is me moving on and coming to tell you guys that I'm sorry, accept me back. Now I'm back and there is no going back. So this particular St. Ives shower gel, right, has a range. I'm going to leave a picture of some, if not all, of the varieties of this particular one. I'm going to leave a picture of it. They also have it in the lotion, that's moisturizer, and the body wash. So I've been able to get this and the lotion, though I did not exactly use the lotion for a long period of time, but I got to use it for a while before I stopped using it. Not for any reason, I just wanted to stop using it so I can continue with my normal lotion. So this particular one is St. Ives Soothing Body Wash with oatmeal and shea. The first thing you notice with this body wash is the very nice fragrance. Guys, it smells amazing. It will make you, this particular body wash would make you look forward to shower time. It lathers so well. It lathers a lot. A little goes a very, very long way. It smells amazing. Guys, it smells amazing. I don't use this every day. I use it when I've had a long day and I really just want to pamper my body in the bathroom. After maybe scrubbing, after exfoliating my skin, I use my normal soap, my normal whitening soap, wash off, and then use this. Just use this to just lather it all over my body and just pamper my skin. It smells amazing. So the experience you get with this whole range is just something to soothe you, like aromatherapy, to help you ease the stress of the day, to just make your skin, it makes your skin feel smooth and soft. It just pampers the skin generally, and it does this. There's a way it goes to your head and it just calms you down. This is what it does to me. This particular body wash calms me down with the fragrance, with the feel on the skin, with the way it lathers very richly on the skin. It's very, very nice, and this is my own particular favorite. They say that it is paraben free. It is a dermatologist tested formula that soothes the body and mind. It is made with 100% natural oatmeal and shea butter extract. It is made with plant-based cleansers and made with no animal-derived ingredients. Fun fact, spending time with nature has been known to give you an instant boost of happy. I'm not even going to lie, this particular one gives me an instant boost of happy. And then again, it leaves the bathroom smelling very nice. Although the fragrance doesn't linger for a very long period of time, but once you step out of the bathroom and you enter almost immediately, you know that this place smells very nice. Even when you enter after an hour, it doesn't have the normal damp bathroom smell. The bathroom smells nice and all of that, and it just helps to add to my entire fragrance during the day. Because when you use this, and imagine now using it, also has a moisturizer. I think I've mentioned this. It also has a moisturizer. When you use this and you now lather your skin with the moisturizer, and then now wearing your perfume on top of it, your fragrances and all of that, the whole experience is just very heartwarming and very beautiful if you're a lover of good fragrance. So yes, this gets my very strong recommendation. I think every girl should have it. You might not necessarily buy this particular type, but if you like fragrances, if you like vanilla fragrance, if you like vanilla ice cream, if you like vanilla ice cream, you will definitely like this. That's what it smells like. Guys, it just smells amazing. It smells really nice. The consistency, I don't want to pour it on my hand, but see guys, It is rich. Look. Smells so nice, and it lathers so well. A little goes a long way. A little goes a very long way. So and then my second favorite is the coconut. I'm going to leave a picture of it on the screen. It also smells amazing, and it also helps to soothe the skin and the body and the mind. So if you've been wanting to get that, you just want to get, you know, somebody you can trust opinion, you can trust that is very nice. But it's not going to, if you're looking for something that will whiten you, please, this is not the video for you. This one will not whiten you, okay? It will cleanse your skin. It will gently, you know, get rid of dirt and gunks on your skin, but it is not going to whiten you. It is moisturizing, mildly moisturizing. It doesn't strip the skin of all the natural oils. Even after I've used 2 other soaps and I still use this on top of it, it is very mild and very kind to the skin. The price ranges between 3,500 to 5,500 naira. I got this for 3,500 naira, but I've seen it on Jumia for 5,500. I've seen it on Instagram for 4,500. So just between 3,500 to 5,500. That's, you know, depending on where you're buying from. So yes, that's all for this video. Do make sure you click the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. Make sure you watch other videos. There are other videos on the channel. If you like to watch a video of a whitening shower gel, check somewhere on the screen or in the description box. I've made a video on a very good whitening shower gel you can, you know, trust and all of that. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Peace.